Gregg Shorthand for Colleges. Business letter phrases. In the, in our, in this, in that, in time, in which, in this. From you, hear from you, from our, from the, from them, from him. To the, to you, to that, to them, to this, to go, to get. About the, about that, about this, about you, about which, about time, about this, about them. Of the, of their, of your, of that, of this, of our, of this, of which, of them. Geographical expressions: Boston, Des Moines, Miami, Indianapolis, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Philadelphia, Massachusetts, Iowa, Florida, Indiana, Minnesota, Ohio, Pennsylvania. Dear Mrs. Moore, we are happy to tell you about the opening of our conveniently located new toy store in the Boston Shopping Center. Period. In our new store, you will find the largest stock of toys in the state. Period. We have toys that will appeal to everyone. Period. We have safe toys for very young children. Period. We have educational toys for students. Period. We have mechanical toys and games that will appeal to both children and adults. Paragraph. All our toys and games are of the best construction. Period. Stop in to see us the next time you want to buy toys or games for your children, your friends, or yourself. Period. Yours truly. Number 6. Dear Miss Smith, you will recall that several weeks ago, I bought a new sweater for my niece, Jane Green, in the clothing department of your store in Philadelphia. Period. It is a beautiful sweater and it was quite expensive, period. My niece was very happy with the sweater until today, period. She had taken it to the dry cleaners yesterday, and today she returned to pick it up. Paragraph. The sweater looked very nice except for the trim, period. The color had faded badly, and it made the garment look old, period. I would like, therefore, to return the sweater for a full refund, period. May I do so? Question mark. Yours truly. Number 7. Dear Mr. Allen, we are pleased to announce the opening of our new office furniture store in the Miami shopping center in your neighborhood, period. Our new store is the largest, most complete office furniture shop in this part of the state, paragraph. We have every type of office chair available on the market today, period. There are swivel chairs, posture chairs, and executive chairs, period. They come in either wood or metal, paragraph. You will also find in our store a wide range of office desks in all sizes, period. We have desks designed to fit in small places and desks that will complement the most elegant executive suite, paragraph. Come to our convenient new store for all your furniture needs, period. We are open every day except Sunday, period. Yours very truly.